impressive for someone of such a tender age as well. He's definitely one to watch for the future.
Event number 11 comes up next. This is the 10th event of the day. And take a look at the lineup. Event number 11 has 11 competitors. The likes of Gayan Sandharwan, Ishan Dasanayake, Jacques Gunawardena, Deshan Solanki, Samira Premaratna, Rumisha Buljans, Yvonne Biaji Gurusingha. Boy, this is going to be another tough race. Over 8 laps, 250cc, 175 to 250cc 4-stroke, 100 to 125cc 2-stroke racing motorcycle. They would be fast, they would be mean.
They'll be furious. It's an absolutely mouth-watering tie, Haritha, and I'm sure Deshan Solanki is looking forward to repeating his heroics in the first race earlier today, where he held off fantastic competition. In fact, that's the only race I think we've seen where the top three have been neck and neck for much of the race, and Deshan Solanki held off Gayan Sandharwan, who is the current national champion, and Jacques Gunawardena was very unfortunate on the penultimate turn.
So Jacques Gunawardena will be hoping to get onto the podium, something that he missed earlier, and that provides mouth-watering prospects for some intense competition.
And Gayan Sandharwan won't
This is
want a second.
Deshan Solanki. 92 is Nilaksha Pradeep, number 1. 99 is Jacques Gunawardena. One who fell off, 33. Number 4, Deshan Solanki, won a previous race. 91 is Kevin Buljans. 31 is Rehan Buljans.
And we're underway, and I believe 2 of the races are not taking part in this particular race. We will have you their names and numbers shortly. But for now, in the lead is number 44, or rather, is that 45? Yes, it's Ishan Dasanayake, who was fantastic in an earlier race, if you remember, Haritha.
Well, Rumisha Buljans was in 3rd place, but so much more happened now. Jacques Gunawardena is in front.
Jacques Gunawardena is in the lead, followed by Ishan Dasanayake.
This is a fast race. This is be a tough.
I don't know about you, Haritha, but it's extremely difficult to call. The racers are absolutely flying by the track at the moment. But we do know that Jacques Gunawardena is in the lead, followed closely by Ishan Dasanayake. He's followed by number 4,
Deshan Solanki and Rumisha Buljans in 3rd and 4th place. Gayan Sandharwan is in the middle of the race. That's how we started in the previous one. He came to 2nd place.
Oh my goodness. The top 2 have stalled on the hill, but no, they're okay. They're still there.
That was one big scramble. Who got in front? Ishan Dasanayake got in front. What happened with Jacques Gunawardena? He would have been the one. Jacques Gunawardena is in front.
Jacques Gunawardena is in the
front. Ishan 2nd. Solanki 3rd. Gayan Sandharwan in 5th place. He'll get to number 3 before this lap is over. If he's won to Deshan Solanki 3rd. Number 8 is Rumisha Buljans. Gayan Sandharwan behind him in 5th place.
A very competitive race so far, Haritha. And I have to say, Jacques Gunawardena looks like he has a point to prove after that first race. While Ishan Dasanayake is definitely riding on a high. And Deshan Solanki is not letting up either. Gayan Sandharwan has his work cut out for him at the moment.
You know, this is the good thing. Upali mentioned that this is a sort of a motorcycle specific track, and then you get these sort of facilities, and Gayan Sandharwan is the experienced one, but the young brigade is pushing him right down,
yes,
like in the case of Jacques Gunawardena. International schools
Jacques
Student
almost takes a tumble there, but
is
no,
in
it's okay.
great shape. Gayan Sandurwan pushing on the outside.
He's moved into 4th place now. Haritha, I think your prediction might be coming through. Gayan, like the true champion that he is.
Oh, somebody had a fall. Great fall. Number 31.
That's number 31.
Bike went for a 6.
That's Rehan Boudjans. He's getting his bike back up. But that looks like the end of his podium chances.
I'll tell you, the lap counters, those girls there at the finish line were very, very close. He lost total control. He fell down. He was lucky nobody went over him.
The bike went flying.
It went flying a good 15 meters away from the track. He's still finding it difficult to start.
But he's getting his
now
bike back
away.
on track. He's getting his bike back on track.
I'll tell you, certain aspects I like to see being considered with a little bit more security. That was one area where the lap counters would have been taken away. Jacques Gunawardena, Ishan Dasanayaka,
Ishan is pushing him really
Gayan
hard.
Sandurwan third place,
Gayan
Ramesh
making it.
Boudjans fourth, Deshan Solanki is in 6th place. Oh, this is a top race.
Yes, but can Gayan make it? He's about 2 seconds behind the leaders. It's going to be very difficult.
It's halfway through the race of 8 laps. Gayan Sandurwan has some time to get in behind Ishan Dasanayaka, but Ishan Dasanayaka has already tested victory once. He's behind Jacques Gunawardena, who is having a extremely difficult time trying to stay ahead of Ishan Dasanayaka. Take a look at this, live from Akbimana. This is racing at its best.
This is unbelievable. I am absolutely taken, not only by Ishan Dasanayaka, but also his colorful clothing. It's a fantastic rainbow of colors, and maybe that does match his personality. He's a go-getter. He's go for the win.
Race leader Jacques Gunawardena, hotly pursued by Ishan Dasanayaka. Gayan Sandurwan in 3rd place.
Sandurwan has made up some ground, it has to be said, but they're not making it easy the front two.
Oh, this is one of the top races for the day. This is event number 11 being run as the 10th race.
And Haritha, the crowd is really getting worked up on the hills, on the mountains. They're clapping, they're cheering on the heroes.
Oh, Ishan Dasanayaka making his move.
He's made his move.
Oh,
He's
this
used-
is great stuff.
He's used the back marker
Brilliant work.
fantastically.
Jacques Gunawardena took the safe option. Ishan Dasanayaka took the initiative. He is now going in front, looking for his 2nd victory.
That was amazing use by the...
Brilliant stuff. Brilliant stuff.
So Ishan Dasanayaka showing the form of a real champion here. He's in the lead.
To outmaneuver the likes of Jacques Gunawardena, you need guts, and that's what he showed. Now Jacques Gunawardena sandwiched between race leader Ishan Dasanayaka and 3rd place Gayan Sandurwan. He'll find it difficult.
I'll tell you what, there's only about 1 second separating first from third over here. And 3rd place, bad news for Ishan Dasanayaka, is Gayan Sandurwan. And you know he's going to come back. He's going to come hard in the final few laps. And Jacques Gunawardena better watch out, because this was exactly how the last race turned out for him.
Gayan Sandurwan pushing him. He's closed the gap on 2nd place Jacques Gunawardena. Gayan Sandurwan. Ishan Dasanayaka, brilliant work. Looks back over his shoulder, finds that the tussle is between Gayan and Jacques as he takes the lead extended. This is Jacques Gunawardena.
But I have to say, Harit, I still can't get over Ishan's use of the back marker when he overtook him and he used him to extend his lead. Very, very savvy and experienced riding there by Ishan Dasanayaka.
You need to be skillful, you need to have guts, you need to be lucky too.
And he looks to have it all.
That's why they come in a complete package, these three. Gayan Sandurwan, no doubt, is the experienced character, but Ishan Dasanayaka and Jacques Gunawardena, the young brigade. I'll tell you, to stave off Gayan Sandurwan and get to the 2nd place in the podium, Jacques Gunawardena would have done well.
And I'll tell you what, Gayan may not admit it to you at the moment, but when he looks back at this race, maybe tomorrow, maybe a week from now, he'll be really proud of his two young competitors.
Oh yes. Ishan Dasanayake on his RTR TVS. Jacques Gunawardena and Gayan Sandurwan, Honda teammates. Who's lying fourth at the moment? They've spoken so much on the top four. Rumesh Abuljans is lying fourth, and he's followed by Yvonne Piaji Gurusingha in fifth place.
Any news of Deshan Solanki?
Looks like he's dropped out of the top five.
It's unfortunate. I thought he might have had a chance pre-race, but I have to say, his performance by Ishan Dasanayake has been blowing everyone out of the water. And Gayan Sandurwan is struggling to get into second place here, but can he keep the pressure up on Jacques Gunawardena? We're on the final lap. Ishan Dasanayake is on the final straight. And he pulled off a fantastic win. Second place is Jacques Gunawardena and third place is Gayan Sandurwan. A
Brilliant win.
race.
Brilliant win for Ishan Dasanayake. That was a superb race. He'll acknowledge, the others too would acknowledge, that was a superb race.
A fantastic ride, savvy, and just look at his eyes, he's so delighted.
I'll tell you, Gayan Sandurwan gave a maximum that he could, but he couldn't dislodge Jacques Gunawardena in second place. But the maneuver that Ishan Dasanayake did on Jacques Gunawardena to get in front and hold his place for his second top podium finish, that was something to cherish with. We are live from Akmemana Galle, and you are with the inaugural Galle Motocross 2014. Great race, brilliant stuff.
He is absolutely over the moon. Look at him. He's absolutely soaking up this victory and this victory lap. He's thrilled. And that's 2 out of 2 for Ishan Dasanayake.
තාම තීරණාත්මක තරගයක් නිමාව සටහන් වන්නේ මේ ජයග්‍රාහකින් තමන්ගේ සතුට ක්‍රීඩා ලෝලීන් සහ තමන්ට සහාය ලබා දුන් උදවියත් සමග බෙදා හදා ගන්න අවස්ථාව. ඉතා තියුණු තරගයකින් අවසානයේ මෙම ඉසව්ව ජයගන්නේ ඉෂාන් දසනායක. අංක 54 යටතේ තරග වැදුණා. මේ ඔබ දකින අංක 99 යටතේ තරග වැදුණු ජැක්ස් ගුණවර්ධන. මේ පුනරූපණ දර්ශන තරග ආරම්භය. මේ ආරම්භ වූයේ රේසිං මෝටර්සයිකල්ස් 175cc කාණ්ඩයේ සිට 250cc කාණ්ඩය දක්වා වූ ස්ට්‍රෝක් 4 යතුරුපැදි දාමනි සව්ව. මෙහිදී තරඟකරුවන් 11 දෙනෙකු තරඟ වැදුණා. ඉතා තියුණු තීරණාත්මක තරඟයක අංක 99 යටතේ තරඟ වැදුණු ජැක්ස් ගුණවර්ධන සහ අංක 54 යට තරඟ වැදුණු ඉෂාන් දසනායක අතරයි තියුණුම සටන පැවතුනේ. ඉන් පසුපසින් හඹාවේ ජාතික මෝටර් යතුරුපැදි ශූරයා වන ගයාන් සඳරුවන්. ඒ අනුව ප්‍රථම ස්ථානයේ ඉෂාන් දසනායක, දෙවන ස්ථානයේ ජැක්ස් ගුණවර්ධන, තුන්වෙනි ස්ථානය ගයාන් සඳරුවන්. අංක 32 දරුවු ගයාන් සඳරුවන් යම් ආකාරයකට ඉදිරියෙන් හිටියත් පසුව ඔහු පසුබැස්සා. ඔහුගේ පියා සමග අප කතා කළ අවස්ථාවේදී පාසා සිටි ඔහුගේ පාදයේ ආබාධය තවමත් ස්ථිර වශයෙන්ම සුව නොවීම ඔහුගේ තරඟ ආරම්භයේ ප්‍රමාදයට හේතුවක් බවයි. අප දැන් තවත් තරඟ ඉසව්වක් වන ස්ටෑන්ඩඩ් මොඩිෆයිඩ් 175cc 250cc 4 ස්ට්‍රෝක් කාණ්ඩයේ තරඟ ඉසව් වෙත යොමු වන්නට සූදානම් වෙනවා. නැවත සජීව විකාශය සමග අප රැඳී සිටින්නේ හරිත පෙරේරා සූදානම් ඔබ හමුවන්නට.